Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about some companies that are currently hiring. So the first one is yahoo.com. So it's currently hiring for software engineering position. So as you are seeing here, it has been posted in the LinkedIn 5 hours ago, and right now it's have over 200 application already. So to apply, you have to click on this apply button, but I will share this link in my video description. You can easily apply through this link. So the qualification they required is that you should be actively enrolled in any bachelor's or master degree program, and the requirement is like you should have a good communication skills. It's written here that effective oral and written communication skills are must, and if you have knowledge in MS SQL or RDBMS and Unix or Shell and Perl, and if you have some experience in supporting cloud-based application, then it will boost your application. So they haven't mentioned any year of pass out. So as they have mentioned, like actively enrolled in bachelor's and master program. So we can consider 2022 and 2023 batches for this position. So the next company is PayU, which is currently hiring for engineering interns. So it's been posted by their senior director, Mr. Navin Athres, and this internship will be starting from January 2022. So in this cohort, you will be working on some new exciting products. As a engineering intern, you will develop some codes, and if you really perform well, then you may get PPOs and can join the PayU as a full-time employee. So let's see the requirements. So mainly they're, as I've said, like they're hiring for software engineering interns, and the location will be Gurgaon, Bangalore. But currently, due to this COVID-19 situation, it's will be fully remote. So what they are looking? So they are looking for people who have programming language fundamentals in at least one language: Java, Go, PHP, Node.js, and React.js. So if you have knowledge in any one or any of these languages, so you can easily apply for this position. And you should have a strong analytical and problem solving skills. Mainly they require like you should have a good profile, good competitive coding profile. So you can also see here in the last one, like contributed to open source or participated in competitive program will boost your application, and that will be preferred first. And you should have a passion to explore and adapt new technologies, frameworks, and techniques, because if you see here, like react is some react is nowadays is like a very hot topic nowadays as a JavaScript library. And you should have a good understanding of data structures, algorithm, oops, and system designs, because they know like these kind of things you already know, because these things are already in your syllabus. So to apply for it, you have to fill a simple Google form. So where they mainly asked for your full name, email ID, contact number, college name, degree, stream or branch, CGPA, year of passing, and they are also giving you an option like some of the colleges in India mostly prefer 6 months of internship, and some prefer 12 months of internships. So based on your college, you can apply for either 6 months internship and 12 month internship. So at first you have to confirm with your college like which duration they will allow you for an internship, and then only you can apply. And last is the latest resume. So the next company is cardeco.com. So cardeco.com, if you see their website, is a mobility platform. Like they help people to buy new or second-hand cars, and they have other products also. If you heard like College Deco or Mobile Deco, these are the same company. So they are currently hiring for the associate product manager and product manager role, and the job location will be Gurgaon. So who should apply? So as written here, like freshers, business analyst, coders, designers who aim to get into product management or associate product management role, and who are seeking a multidisciplinary and strategic product management position at an innovative product driven company, and be ready to take challenges in a fast paced growing environment, then you are good to apply. So they also posted Google form where they mainly asked for your email ID, names, phone number, updated LinkedIn profile link, then position you want to apply. So as they are hiring for two positions, so you have to choose the position you want to apply for, and your current CTC. If you are currently a working person, then your fixed salary. That means the net salary that you are getting per annum. Then what is your expected salary? And describe previous experience related to product management if you have any experience in that field. And if you are a working person, then you have to write the reason for which you are leaving your present company, and then why do you think you are a good fit for this position, and then you have to upload your resume and submit the application form. So I'll be giving all this application link in my video description. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.